Now we're going to look at some very simple yet useful organic chemical reactions. So it's chemical reactions that we classify. Now, basic reactions types in organic chemistry are the addition reaction, the hydrolysis reaction, and the condensation reaction. The addition reaction is when you add two or more reactants to get one product. So you're adding reactants together. Hydrolysis is when water is added to a molecule, causing a bond to break, and to give you two new molecules. Okay, water is one of the reactants is added to another reactant to give two products. Okay, and then the condensation reaction is when two reactants react to give one product plus water as the other product. Okay, so these are three basic types of organic reactions. Let's look more closely at one example of these, which is called the condensation reaction. Okay, so with the condensation reaction, I said that two reactants will react to give the product plus water. And so here's your two reactants. Here's one of them. Here's the other one. Here's your product right here, acetylsalicylic acid, and there's your water. And so what you can see is in this particular chemical reaction, this molecule has two functional groups. One is the carboxylic acid functional group. The other one is the hydroxyl or alcohol functional group. On this molecule, you have a carboxylic acid functional group. See it there? And what happens in this type of condensation reaction is that in this type, there's different types of condensation reactions, but in this type of condensation reaction, the result is a product plus water. Water is always going to be a product. And the water comes when the bond, the CO bond in the carboxylic acid breaks and forms a new bond with this hydrogen. Then when this splits off, this oxygen connects with this carbon right here. And so the new functional group that you have replaced here on this new molecule is an ester functional group. Okay, so you have an ester functional group here. And sometimes this particular type of reaction is called an esterification reaction because you have created an ester when you split off the water molecule. Okay, so what I'd like you to do right now is to stop watching this video, and your teacher will give you this particular Poglax exercise called organic reactions. And I want you to go in your small groups through the first four reactions. The last two, if you want to do them, if you have time, it's fine, but it's more critical that you do the first four.